Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, your favorite girl, Jenny, and here is Jenny's Talk Show and Unisex TV. I am back again like I never left. I'm back again with another video. How are you all doing? Hope you are fine. You are good. Thanking God for another beautiful blessed day today. All right, for my returning subscribers, my old viewers who always come back to watch my videos, Jenny appreciates you all. I say thank you and may God bless you all, and I beg you all to continue the good work. And if today, like after seeing this video, is your first time of seeing this beautiful mommy twins face, you are welcome to the family. Do not forget to subscribe after watching. Hit on the notification button. Put it in all so that whenever like I post a new video or I'm live, you go just then the post, come check waiting I post. You understand? So always like thumbs up on my videos, share anyone that interests you, and run to my description box. Follow me in other of my social media platform where you can chat with me and tell me the kind of videos or the kind of things you want me to bring to this beautiful channel. Thank you as you're going to do so. Share my videos. Help me to grow this channel now. It's free. Just click on the share button. Share it to your villagers. Share it to the village square. Wherever they do meeting. Share it any of your social media platform so that people can still like locate me. Help me grow now. Help me build this channel so that all of us go enjoy them in the future. I trust you and I believe you are going to do so. Always comment according to the video you watch. Tell me where I make mistake. Correct me if you can or if you wish. Don't even think otherwise, because me, I accept and I appreciate all comments. Say it as it is. Say it how you feel. Okay? Alright? You're in the right channel. Oh yeah, let's go to today's welcome back. Okay, in today's video, today's talk show, we will be looking into 3 types of people that you should stay away from. Madato, like 3 people you go just like they run for. Anywhere where you see them, you take it. If you see them this side, you follow this side. If you see them this side, you follow this side. 3 people. So watch till the end to understand these 3 people, and share the video, and but do not share me to your village shrine. You can share me to your umonna. I don't mind. Oh my goodness. And drop your own opinion, your contribution, whatever you think about the video down below there in the comment section, and I'll appreciate it. So you can add your own. Alright my people, 3 people you have to stay away from. 3 sets of people that you have to like run from. Number 1 is uninspired people. Someone who cannot inspire you, who cannot teach you good thing, who cannot help you to learn something good, who cannot even help you to see that good thing in you. Because it's possible that you have this gift, this beautiful gift in you, that you yourself maybe you don't know, but someone else can see it, make you understand this, make it a reality, help you to make it a reality. Not people who always like bring in, teach you only negative things, They cannot make you see life in a positive way. They cannot help you grow in your business. They cannot help you learn something if you're a student. They cannot teach you how to. The only thing they know is to discourage you in anything you are doing. Even when you are trying to help yourself, they will like to discourage you. If you are going to school, they will be like, that's school you can't go. Now, so if you enter, you leave enjoy your life. If you are doing business and not doing it well, instead of them to teach you in a way where you say you can do it well, no, they will like trying their best to discourage you so that you will become a liability just like them. Stop allowing those people in your life. The second set of people you have to stay away from are unexcited people. Unexcited people. People who excitement they purge. They cannot hear good news and believe it. Oh no. They will only hear negative something. They will believe and say, hey, I talk now. How you want to survive that one? Now so. But when you tell them good news, they will doubt it. It takes them time. They won't be happy for you when things are moving well. They will go as far as making you not to be happy for yourself. Imagine someone telling another person that, are you not going to give birth again? Your son is not of age. Your daughter is now 3 years. What are you still waiting for? My question is, now you're born. So, how do you know that this person wants to give birth again? Or someone cannot decide to have only one baby? It's not a crime in this life for someone to have just one baby, eh? Is that what you people are telling me? That you are not going to make someone not to be happy for herself and her family because they have only one baby. You want her to start thinking in a negative part, or you want the husband now to start, changing his mind towards the wife. This is what some of you do. You will go as far as trying to spoil two people who are living in peace. You try to bring problems. You try to bring disagreements. So run from this kind of people before they will destroy your home. Before they will destroy your life. They don't like good news. They only like bad news. So allow them to go with their bad characters, bad behaviors, before they will make you regret ever coming into this life. Yes. So number 3 set of people you have to stay away from are ungrateful people. Anybody who is ungrateful is an enemy. You have to stay away from them, far away from them. They are of bad omen. They don't have anything good to bring to the table. Nothing good. They will be there with you, pretending to love you, pretending to respect you, pretending to be loyal, to be nice, simply because there is something they benefit from you. If you want to know their true color, that thing if you find out that thing that they benefit from, you try to stop it. You see their true color. They will change like a chameleon. I'm telling you, they're not good. So if you know you're this kind of person who you cannot be grateful to people around you, or you cannot be grateful for someone who do 1 or 2 things for you, no matter how small, whenever you stop doing those things you do for them or helping them, or maybe when you don't have, they will just forget the ones you have done before. They will forget it completely. You will not turn a bad person. They will not switch to someone else and start spoiling you to these people. You will turn they will start giving you bad names. And you see some people will be like, people are not even helping big YouTubers. They cannot even help anybody. How can they help you when they know that after helping you, you will be ungrateful last? Yes, that is the reason. Because they don't want to fall victim. See, sometimes I do not blame people when they choose not to help, especially people they don't know. When they choose not to help, I don't blame, because after all, it's not even by force. A cannot be like B. We have some set of people who, even if you later do them wrong, they will still keep doing good because that is who they are. Why we have another set of people who, once they find out that you are not the type, when they do something for somebody and the thing didn't work out very well, like the person was ungrateful, like start insulting them, cursing them, giving them bad names, they will just close the chapter. They will close helping. But you won't blame that kind of person. You will blame those people who, after people finish helping them, even if it's a little thing someone help you with, and that person stop helping you, don't ever try to be ungrateful no matter what. Because even you yourself, you may not be able to do what that person did for you. Many people are crying out there. Many people are weeping. Many people are regretting in one way or the other that they have assisted so many people, helped people, change their lives, do one or two things for them, carry them in their hearts, as in take their problem as their own. But what they get at last is betrayal, ungratefulness. That is what they get. They will turn a bad somebody. You see them, they will switch and be looking for who to help them again. They are too good to say, people are wicked, while as they can't even appreciate a little one. Please, if you know that you are in any category of these three things that I mentioned, change from it. Change before it's too late. And you know that you have this set of people around you. You have noticed it. You have been feeling it. Run away from them before it's too late. Because nobody go judge you, say you run away from danger. Nobody go feel judge. Anybody when you judge you, na bad person, either person be. Understand? So my country people, may God bless you as I go to watch this video to the end. Share, drop your contribution, drop your comment down below there. Let's finish it there. Tell me what you think about this video, or you can also add to whatever I have said here today. God bless you. Subscribe if you haven't. Share the video, let it reach to people you're supposed to reach. You don't know who this video may help in your friend list. Thank you. May God bless you all. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed and watch out for the next one.